What's up, guys? 2018 Spectra half case, random number 1. Going live. Timestamp is 11:08. Already got the list in and the teams in. Dice has to be 4 or more. We randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. 8 is the total. 8 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Vikings on top. Rams on the bottom. DHTIHH is the code for the teams. Now let's do the names again. 4 or more. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final, number 10. Ralph on top. Scott on the bottom. TTTVEB. Code for the names. There you go, guys. That is who you have. And we are done. $11.10. Thanks, guys. Good luck.